If you search online for ways to make money with books, one name comes up again and again: KDP Select. You'll see videos claiming people are making thousands of dollars every month without writing much, without marketing, and without experience. That makes a lot of people suspicious. Is KDP Select real, or is it just another online hype trick? The truth is simple. KDP Select does make people real money, but not for the reasons most videos explain. It's not magic, and it's not automatic. It works because Amazon built a system that rewards certain types of books and certain types of behavior. Once you understand that system, the income starts to make sense. What KDP Select really is, no complicated terms. One of the programs that is included in Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is called KDP Select, and it is a choice that is made voluntarily. In the event that you publish an ebook on Amazon, you will have the opportunity to enroll it in the KDP Select program, which is one of the possibilities available to you. Should you want to do so, you will be consenting to one rule. It is necessary for your ebook to be exclusive to Amazon for a period of 90 days. Consequently, during that time period, you will not be able to sell the same ebook on other platforms such as Apple Books, Google Play, or Kobo platforms. This is because you will do not have permission to do so. Further incentives will be provided to you by Amazon in exchange for your business. The availability of Kindle Infinite, which enables users to read an infinite number of books for a monthly fee, is one of the most significant advantages that one may take advantage of. When Amazon customers read your book, you receive a payment from the company. How Kindle Unlimited actually pays you at this juncture, a significant proportion of individuals are still confused. Users of Kindle Unlimited do not buy your book when they read it because they are not purchasing it. Because it is included in their subscription, customers are able to read it at no additional expense. In order to increase the amount of money you make, Amazon will pay you on a per-page basis rather than on a per-sale basis. To ensure that page counts are constant across all devices, Amazon uses the KENP system to measure each page. This mechanism is used to ensure that page counts are accurate. The reward that is awarded for each page is subject to change on a monthly basis. However, it often falls somewhere in the range of $0.04 to $0.05 per page. The power lies in the volume, despite the fact that it might only appear to be of relatively little importance. Through the reading and completion of your book by hundreds or thousands of people, you have the potential to swiftly amass a substantial amount of money. Why page reads matter more than sales. Traditional book sales rely on convincing someone to spend money up front. Kindle Unlimited removes that barrier. Readers are far more willing to try new authors when the book feels free. For authors, page reads are often more valuable than single sales. One reader who finishes a long book can earn you more than someone who buys a short book and never reads it. This is why many KDP Select authors focus on engagement, not just clicks. The type of books that make the most money. Not every book works well in KDP Select. Fiction performs best because readers like to binge stories. Romance, fantasy, sci-fi, thrillers, and mystery dominate Kindle Unlimited. These readers often finish books quickly and move to the next one. Nonfiction can work too, but it needs to solve a clear problem. Simple guides, self-help books, and practical topics do better than opinion-based or short content. Poetry and very short books usually struggle because they don't generate many page reads. Why long books and series win? Length matters in KDP Select. Since you're paid per page, longer books earn more per reader. A 300-page book can earn over $1 per full read. Now imagine a reader who finishes 3 books in a series. That's hundreds of pages from one person. This is why series are so powerful. Once readers like your first book, they often continue automatically. Many top earners focus on writing series instead of standalone books. How Amazon's algorithm helps popular books. Amazon watches how readers interact with your book. If readers start your book and finish it, Amazon sees that as a good signal. This can push your book higher in search results and recommendation lists. More visibility leads to more reads, which leads to more income. This creates a loop. Good books get more exposure. Poor books slowly disappear. KDP Select works best for authors who understand that Amazon rewards reader satisfaction more than anything else. Why some authors make thousands and others quit. Many people join KDP Select and fail because they expect fast results. They upload one short book, do no research, and wait. When nothing happens, they quit. Authors who make thousands usually do the opposite. They study the market, write books people already want, improve covers, fix descriptions, and release consistently. Success often comes slowly, then grows faster over time. KDP Select rewards patience and improvement. Free promotions and why they still matter. KDP Select allows authors to make their book free for up to 5 days every 90 days. This sounds bad at first. Why give away your book? But free downloads increase visibility. When readers download your free book and later read it in Kindle Unlimited, you still get paid for page reads. Free promotions also help launch new series. Many authors use the first book as a free entry point and earn money from later books. Is KDP Select really passive income? KDP Select can become semi-passive, but not at the beginning. Writing, editing, and publishing takes work. Successful authors often update covers, rewrite descriptions, and release new books regularly. Over time, older books continue earning money even while you work on new ones. That's when it starts to feel passive, but the income comes from effort made months or even years earlier. The biggest mistakes beginners make. One common mistake is rushing. Poor grammar, bad covers, and weak stories kill reader engagement. Another mistake is ignoring data. Successful authors watch page reads, reviews, and rankings. They learn what works and adjust. Many beginners also choose niches they personally like instead of niches readers actually read. KDP Select is not about personal expression, it's about matching demand. Can this still work today? Yes, KDP Select still works in 2025. Kindle Unlimited continues to grow, and Amazon continues to push the program. But competition is higher. The opportunity is still there for authors willing to learn, improve, and stay consistent. Those looking for shortcuts usually fail. KDP Select works because it rewards books that readers actually enjoy. It pays for time spent reading, not hype. People making thousands didn't get lucky, they learned the system and worked with it. If you understand exclusivity, page reads, genre demand, and consistency, KDP Select can become a real income stream. It's not easy, but it's real. And that's why it continues to work while many online trends disappear.